Happy day! Today we will learn about what a dictionary is and how to use it. A dictionary is a reference material either in a printed form or electronic form. It contains all the words in a particular language. The words are arranged in alphabetical order. It also includes information about how the word is used, its other forms, etc. Now let's learn about how to use a dictionary. As I said earlier, the words in the dictionary are arranged in alphabetical order. That is, the word starting with A comes before the word starting with B, and the word starting with H will come before the word starting with M, and so on. The word apple can be found before the word banana in the dictionary, and the word curd can be found after the word banana in the dictionary. Yummy will be in the Y section and zebra can be found in the last section of the dictionary, that is in the Z section. For the words having the same starting letter, we have to consider the second letter to check for its order in the dictionary. For example, the word apple and alligator have the same starting letter A. So we have to check the second letter. P in the case of apple and L in the case of alligator. The letter P comes after L in the alphabetical order. So the word alligator will be before the word apple in the dictionary. This is the correct order. The word alligator will come before the word apple in the dictionary. For the words having the starting letter same, we check the second letter. If the second letter is also same, we have to check the third letter, and so on. For example, when we consider the words apple and apricot, the first two letters of both the words are A, P. Both are same. So we have to consider the third letter, that is P in the case of apple and R in the case of apricot. So the word apple will come before the word apricot in the dictionary. Now that we know how to find a word in the dictionary, let us have a testing time. I will show you two words in each cases and you have to find the word which will come first in the dictionary. Are you ready? Cold or hot? Which will come first in the dictionary? The word cold starts with C and so it will be found previously before the word hot in the dictionary. Dust or dentist? Dentist. Chamber or chair? Chair. Using a dictionary will improve your language skills, so make it a habit to use a dictionary daily. Thank you.